Hello everyone. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to this channel. Nikola Tesla, the visionary innovator and trailblazer of electrical designing. Nikola Tesla, brought into the world on July 10, 1856, in Smiljan, presently some portion of Croatia, was a splendid creator and electrical designer whose developments lastingly affect current innovation. Tesla's work in electrical designing and electromagnetism prepared for the vast majority mechanical headways and changed the manner in which we produce, send, and utilize electrical power. Known for his visionary thoughts and unconventional character, Tesla's commitments to science and designing proceed to impact and rouse ages. This article investigates the life, work, and tradition of Nikola Tesla, featuring his significant innovations and the significant effect he has had on the world. Early life. Nikola Tesla was naturally introduced to a Serbian family in the Austrian realm, presently Croatia. His dad, Milutin Tesla, was a minister and an essayist, while his mom, Georgina Duca Tesla, was a homemaker with an ability for making family devices. Tesla's initial life was set apart by an interest with science and innovation, impacted by his mom's narrating and his dad's consolation to seek after instruction. Tesla went to the specialized College of Graz and the College of Prague, where he concentrated on electrical designing. His scholastic profession was striking for his profound comprehension of electromagnetic hypothesis and his capacity to picture complex electrical frameworks. Despite the fact that he didn't finish his conventional instruction, Tesla's scholarly interest and inventive reasoning set up for his future accomplishments. Early vocation and move to the U.S. In the wake of leaving Europe, Tesla worked in different specialized jobs in Germany and France. In 1884, he emigrated to the U.S. and started working with Thomas Edison, a supporter of direct flow DC electrical frameworks. Tesla's work with Edison included working on electrical gear and frameworks, yet he before long ended up in conflict with Edison over the fate of electrical power. Tesla's vision was focused on substituting current AC frameworks, which he accepted were better than Edison's DC frameworks for significant distance power transmission. This conflict prompted a renowned competition among Tesla and Edison, known as the Battle of the Flows. Tesla in the end left Edison's organization and sought after his own thoughts, prompting critical progressions in electrical designing. Significant creations and developments. Nikola Tesla is most popular for his work in creating substituting flow AC electrical frameworks, which have turned into the norm for power age and transmission around the world. His developments and commitments to electrical designing include rotating current AC frameworks. Tesla's work on AC power frameworks changed how power is sent and utilized. He fostered the air conditioner enlistment engine and transformer, which took into consideration the proficient transmission of power over significant distances. These developments tended to the impediments of Edison's DC frameworks, which were not pragmatic for boundless conveyance. In 1888, Tesla protected his AC enlistment engine, which empowered the utilization of AC power for various applications. His thoughts were instrumental in the foundation of AC power as the prevailing norm for electrical frameworks, and they assumed an essential part in the improvement of the cutting-edge electrical matrix. The Tesla loop. In 1891, Tesla imagined the Tesla loop, a high-recurrence transformer that could produce high-voltage, low-flow electrical releases. The Tesla curl has been utilized in different applications, including radio transmission and remote correspondence. It additionally filled in as the establishment for Tesla's tests in remote power transmission and his investigation of the conceivable outcomes of remote correspondence. Remote power transmission. Tesla was a trailblazer in the field of remote power transmission. He led examinations to communicate electrical energy without the requirement for actual wires, imagining an existence where power could be sent through the air. His work in this space incorporated the development of the Wardenclyffe Pinnacle, an enormous exploratory office intended to show remote power transmission. Albeit the venture was never completely realized, Tesla's thoughts laid the foundation for future progressions in remote innovation. Radio waves and controller. Tesla's commitments to the improvement of radio innovation are much of the time eclipsed by his work on AC power frameworks. In 1893, Tesla showed the standards of radio wave transmission and gathering, originating before Guglielmo Marconi's work in radio correspondence. Tesla's trials with radio waves incorporated the improvement of controller innovation, which he showed by somewhat working a boat utilizing radio transmissions. Challenges and later life. In spite of his huge commitments to science and innovation, Tesla confronted various difficulties all through his vocation. Monetary troubles and questions with colleagues impacted his capacity to support and finish his tasks. His work on remote power transmission and other aggressive ventures frequently confronted distrust and monetary limitations, prompting the possible surrender of a portion of his thoughts. Tesla's flighty character and unpredictable techniques additionally added to his troubles. His later years were set apart by expanding seclusion and monetary battles, and he lived a lot of his life in relative lack of clarity. Notwithstanding these difficulties, Tesla kept on dealing with different logical and designing activities until his demise. Heritage and impact. Nikola Tesla's heritage is described by his momentous commitments to electrical designing and his visionary thoughts regarding innovation. His work significantly affects the improvement of current electrical frameworks and keeps on impacting different fields, including power age, remote correspondence, and electromagnetic hypothesis. Tesla's advancements in AC power frameworks have turned into the underpinning of the worldwide electrical network, empowering the productive transmission of power over significant distances and controlling endless gadgets and advances. His thoughts regarding remote power transmission and correspondence have motivated further innovative work here, adding to the progression of current innovation. Tesla's commitments to science and innovation have been perceived after death through various distinctions and accolades. The Tesla unit, a proportion of attractive transition thickness, is named in his honor, and the Tesla establishment and different associations keep on commending his accomplishments and advance his heritage. Nikola Tesla was a visionary creator and electrical specialist whose commitments enduringly affect the world. His work on exchanging flow frameworks, the Tesla coil, and remote power transmission changed how power is created, communicated, and utilized. Notwithstanding confronting various difficulties and contentions all through his profession, Tesla's imaginative thoughts and weighty innovations proceed to move and impact the areas of science and innovation. Tesla's heritage is a demonstration of the force of creative mind and diligence chasing information and progress. His visionary thoughts and spearheading soul have made him a commended figure throughout the entire existence of science and designing, and his commitments to current innovation will be recalled and appreciated for a long time into the future. Thank you for watching.